Hello friends, in our previous video we may have discussed how Python program has been implemented in Excel database, as well as we may discuss how to read and write data in a Excel database with the help of Python. In today's session we may discuss how to use the URL of any website to fetch every details of the corresponding website. So let's start with Spider IDE. Yes, here you can see in the first line BS4 library has been imported as beautiful soap. As this library is included for some particular web application instructions, uh, I will explain later. And in second line you can see an import function with request. The request may have uh, related to web pages, websites. So the given input has been taken to fetch a data from the website, corresponding website. So that's a simple logic. As we had seen the third line, here in the third line it is taking a value, new URL. That means the user should initialize and value or initialize an website address in the corresponding input. And next, record section. The record section will give request. See the request that we had previously imported, the request command dot get. So the corresponding website that we are going to give will be taken as an additional function from the HTTP request. So in the fifth line, my data means record.text. That means all the corresponding website address or website details that may have frame outed in the server or the application layer. We may had studied the presentation application layer. So in the corresponding layer, the visualization of data may had presented uh, as an application in our system. So that may had taken by my data. So soon I will explain it. And in sixth line, my soap. That means it will taking the data that what are the interaction section or the interactive sub web address that may had in the main address that we had initialized. Then it is iteratively checking each and every address. Finally we are getting the printed output. So each and every time we may get an output corresponding to the main or the parent web address. So the web address I really mean here is the URL. So first we need to run the program. Yes, the program has successfully executed. Now I'm going to type the most famous web address, that is www.google.com, and I'm just clicking enter. So these are the different kinds of web address that is linked with Google. So let's see the Google. Yeah, here is the Google. You can, yes. So starting from apps, YouTube's, maps, news, Gmail, and different kinds of bookmarks that you had added. Avoiding all that bookmarks, the mail, news, maps, YouTube, there are different kinds of link that are available for opening each and every application. Also you can see some of the bookmarks here, also some customized icons, some Google account panels and images, Gmails. So these kind of links, extra links, has been printed here. So it's mainly based on fully based on how to extract a big data and how to extract the main data from an application. So it is basic form of extraction or basic form of analyzing a URL. So if we need to check whether this URL is valid, you just need to copy it. So you can see here YouTube, you can see here news.google and mail and drive. So I just copy the mail and I'm copying it. After that, I'm just pasting it in the web address bar. Okay, sorry. I'm just clicking enter. Yes, the mail is automatically opened. Okay, so that's it with the web address session. For more confirmation, I am doing another web address copying as YouTube. Just I'm copying it. Yes, I had copied, and I need to just paste in the web address session. Yep, obviously, sorry, I had made a mistake. Okay, yes, the YouTube has been opened successfully. This means the web address has been successfully extracted from the main URL, that is called www.google.com. Under www.google.com, there are plenty of websites or HTTP requests available. These are the some of the example, and I hope the video maybe has more informative for you, and please subscribe to my channel for further videos and get upgrade with new ideas with small shortcuts. Also give me a thumbs up, try to share my channel, and goodbye.